Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing an Emini Trading Room recap for the 5th of February, Tuesday. And today was another not so great day in the markets, and not a very good start to the week for sure the past couple of days. But at least we've kept the losses small, and I guess you have to look at the best of a bad situation. And as a trader, I do think that's important to be able to do that. But anyway, not to try to negate anything. But we try to be as transparent as possible on the website to show everything that we do and what we do, whether we make money or lose money, and or break even, or however it is, we try to show everybody what we do, and that's one of the things I wanted to do. But anyway, let's get into it. Today we made 3 trades. We were 2 for 1, and we actually lost a point or 4 ticks. So sometimes the days are going to end up like that, and you just have to scrape by. In this instance, we grabbed a short off the open here, and the market just ran up and stopped us out. When that happens, you kind of have to just try to make something happen. And we grabbed a long up here, and we did exit on the top of this area bar. Then the market did come back down, but it bought right back up. And we did get long over here and ride that up, exiting on this move, and then it just kind of got choppy, and you can't really make a trade in all this. So that's kind of what happened. And like I said, you try to make the best out of your day, out of what happens, and that's kind of what we did. We turned a loss into a smaller loss. And sometimes you do that. And a lot of times, and I know I was definitely guilty of this when I first began trading. Especially when your first trade is a losing trade, the main goal becomes, I have to get back to profitability. And that's usually what causes a lot of revenge trades and just bonehead trades. And whereas with me, your first trade is a loss, what's your next goal? Well, let's take a step back and see what the market is actually doing. It's doing something else than, obviously it's doing something else than I thought that it was doing. So what is it doing? And I want to get behind that. So, that's what I did. And today was a good example because the first trade was a losing trade, and we ended up negative, but we ended up a lot better. What's the best way to word that? I don't know, it doesn't matter. We ended up, better off than we would have if, say, we just kept with our bad trading. So that's one of the things I wanted to talk about today. It's definitely important, and it's definitely an issue that plagues a lot of new traders. And it's something that it's difficult to overcome. It's more difficult for other people than for some people. It's more difficult than others, but it's definitely an issue. So I wanted to say something about that. And with that, definitely leave a comment under the video if you want, or email me from the contact form on the website. Definitely do that as well. And with that, everybody have a great day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.